Yeah, children, today we will discuss the differences between soaps and detergents. Soaps and detergents. What are the differences between soaps and detergents? So, children, soaps and detergents, yesterday we were discussing in the cleaning action of soap. How are the soaps prepared, children? When you take ester, if you add base, you get soap plus alcohol. I hope everyone remember that. So, soaps are sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acids or fatty acids, some people will say anything is okay. Sodium or potassium salts of long chain carboxylic acid. And what are detergents? Detergents are sodium or potassium salts of long chain sulfonic acids. Long chain sulfonic acids. These are made up of carboxylic acids or fatty acids. These are made up of sulfonic acids. Okay, children? And all carboxylic acids are organic compounds. Organic compounds are natural compounds. Organic compounds are natural compounds. So they are obtained naturally from oils, from mustard oil, pine oil, leaf oil, different oils, soaps are prepared. They are natural. Whereas sulfonic acids are prepared from mineral acids, they are artificial. They are artificially prepared. Okay. They are prepared from natural substances. They are prepared from artificial substances, so they are chemically strong. Soap's cleaning action is less. Detergent's cleaning action is superior. Okay, children, because we are preparing children from artificial substances, so it will make them strong. And because they are natural, because they are carbon compounds, they are biodegradable. Soaps are biodegradable, very, very important. Soaps are biodegradable, whereas detergents are not biodegradable. Of course, nowadays they are making them also biodegradable, but generally, biodegradable means it will not take thousands of years, but it takes long time for them to degrade. Okay, if you want to make detergents also biodegradable, you have to keep branching of carbon chain less. Keep branching less. Means carbons will have branches no children like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, different branches will be there no children. This branching should be kept to minimum. Means we should remove the branches. Like that if you prepare. Then if you keep branching less, they can detergents also can be made biodegradable. Okay, soaps can act only in soft water. What is soft water? Which don't have salts. And detergents can act both in soft water and also hard water. They can act in both soft water and hard water, whereas soaps cannot act in hard water. Very, very important. These are the important differences between soaps and detergents. Okay, children. So if you want to make detergents biodegradable, keep the branching less, keep the branches less. Okay, children, two activities, small activities. Two small, take two test tubes, children, take two test tubes. In one, you keep soft water, and in one, you keep hard water. Okay, children? To this, you add soap solution, and to this also, you add soap solution. And shake them well. On shaking them well, here you will get a lot of foam. Here you will get a lot of foam. Why you get a lot of foam here? I don't know. Soaps can act in soft water. Whereas here you will get very less foam. Foam means froth. Froth that bubbles will come much in when you take the bath. That is, here you get very less foam, children. Why soaps cannot act in hard water? Why soaps cannot act in hard water? Important one question. Because I'm writing here soaps react with salts. Soaps react with salts present in hard water. In hard water, children, in hard water, some salts are present. What are the salts present in hard water? Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium. These salts. Okay, so soaps react with salts present in hard water. Soaps react with salts present in hard water and form insoluble precipitate and form insoluble precipitates called scum. Insoluble precipitates called scum. Okay, now children. So soaps react with the salts present in hard water and form insoluble precipitates called scum. That's why you get very less foam in hard water, children. This is one activity. What is this activity? Take soft water and one in hard water in another. Put soap solution in both of them. Shake them. Here in soft water you get more foam and in hard water less foam because soaps cannot act in hard water. Soaps cannot act in hard water. What happens? Soaps react with salts present in hard water and forms insoluble precipitate called scum. This is one. Another activity, I will say, children, small activity. In one, you take hard water. In another one also, you take hard water, children. In both of them now, you put soap. In here, you put detergent. Okay. In both of them, take hard water. In one of them, you put soap solution. In one of them, you put detergent. Here, you will get less foam. Why? Because soaps do not react with hard water. Soaps react with salts present in hard water to form insoluble precipitate called scum. Whereas detergents can react even with hard water, and you'll get more foam here. When you shake them, you'll get more foam here. Okay, children? So detergents can react with hard water and soft water, whereas soaps can react only with soft water. Two activities, these are given in your textbooks also. Okay, children? Now, so what are the salts present in hard water? Hard water is of two types, children. Hard water is of two types: temporary hard water and permanent hard water. What is temporary? Temporary hard water means just by boiling, hardness will be removed. What is hard water? First of all, with the water which has having salts, the water which is having salts are called hard water. Okay, drinking water also have salts, children. Drinking water also have salts, but not this one. Temporary hardness is called by calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate. Temporary hardness is caused by calcium bicarbonate and magnesium bicarbonate, whereas permanent hardness is caused by, remember, permanent hardness is difficult, children. Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. We can remove by another top, not just by boiling. We have to use different methods like ion exchange method, okay, clamp method, zeolite method. Different methods are there to remove the permanent hardness. These salts causes permanent hardness. These two bicarbonates cause temporary hardness. With hard water, soaps don't react. That's why if you are going to beach and take bath with normal soaps, bathing soaps, that soaps will react with salts present in hard water and forms insoluble precipitate salts come on our skin. A white layer will be forming on our skin, children, if you take bath near the beaches. That's why you have to use body shampoos near the beaches. Body shampoos are detergents. The shampoo which we use for hair and our body shampoos, they are detergents. Detergents can react and they don't cause much harm to the skin, and scum will not form near the beaches because detergents can react with hard water also. Soaps cannot react with hard water. Okay, so how did we prepare soap, children? Yesterday I told esters to the base. If you add, you will get soap plus alcohol. Okay, that is how soaps are prepared. The difference between soaps and detergents are sodium and potassium salts of launching carboxylic acid, sodium or potassium salts of launching sulfuric acid. These are natural, they are prepared from natural oil like palm oil, neem oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, peanut oil, groundnut oil, like that. And they are artificial, they are prepared from sulfuric acid and various other acids. Okay, and because they are natural, they are less superior in cleaning and they are more superior. And because they are natural, they are biodegradable, they are non-biodegradable. Means biodegradable, it takes long time and they can, soaps can act only in soft water. Soft water means which is drinking water is called soft water, which don't have these salts. No salts are present, I mean salts are present, but these salts should not be present. These salts only causes hardness. Okay, so and detergents can react with both soft and hard water. Okay, and in the link I will give some homework, children. You do how the videos are uploaded very soon. Thank you.